Did you know that social media isn't just a tool but a cultural revolution? Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are shaping global trends and influencing millions daily. Understanding their reach is crucial for anyone aiming for success. From viral challenges to trending hashtags, these platforms dictate what's hot and what's not. They offer unparalleled opportunities for brands and individuals to connect with audiences worldwide. Are you ready to harness this power? Your online persona is your brand. Make it authentic and relatable. Consistency across platforms builds trust and recognition. Use storytelling to connect deeply with your audience. It's not just about posting, it's about creating a narrative. Think of your social media presence as a storybook. Each post is a page, and every interaction is a chapter. By crafting a compelling narrative, you invite your audience to become part of your journey. Engagement goes beyond likes and shares. It's about meaningful interactions. Responding to comments and messages builds a loyal community. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach and credibility. Imagine your social media as a bustling marketplace. Every comment is a conversation, every share a handshake. By engaging genuinely, you transform followers into advocates, amplifying your message far and wide. Use analytics to track growth and understand your audience. Adapt your strategy based on data and feedback. Stay updated with platform changes to remain relevant. Success isn't static, it's a dynamic journey. By leveraging social media effectively, you'll unlock new opportunities and connections. Ready to take the next step? Start analyzing your metrics today and adapt your strategy for tomorrow's success. Let's grow together.